Hello guys, welcome to my channel. In this algorithm section we are going to convert from binary to decimal. As you know that previously we did to decimal to binary like this, but I didn't show the short versions. I will first show you both of short versions from binary to decimal or decimal to binary, and later we are going to create for binary to decimal. Let's first me show you how we convert to binary to decimal in very short version in C#, and I will say binary to decimal, and then I will say convert to int32, and here I will write my binary. Let's say 13 is binary is this one. Let me copy and paste this one, and then here you click comma, and after comma you just type 2. If you type 2, it is like from base 2. This is first. It will convert our value we expect 13. And now let's say decimal to binary, and how we'll do, we will say convert to string, and then we write our number. We say 13 and base to base 2. Now this one, it will convert to from binary to decimal, from decimal to binary. So just let me write here. You say let's say, no, just print it immediately. Binary to decimal and decimal to binary, and let's run it and see it. As you see that this is our binary, and when we convert to decimal we expect to have 13. Let's check it. Yes, it's true. And from decimal we have 13. We want to convert to the binary, we expect to have this one. As you see that it's functioning properly. This is the easy way, and let's do as an algorithm way how we can do. First I'm going to declare string and binary, and then I will write my binary, this one, because we're expecting to get 13 as decimal, and then I will say double. I will create another variable and I will say total. We'll sum it up. So how we can do on from binary to decimal, what is the formula of this one? It's like this. We have number 1 1 0 1. So base 2. Here we write 0 1 2 3. Yes. And we start from 1. We say 1 multiply 2 power 0 plus 0 multiply 2 power 1 plus, we say 1 multiply 2 power 2 plus, and we say 1 multiply 2 power 3. And this is 1 1 plus, this is 0 plus, this is 4 plus, and this is 8. And if we sum 12 13, the result we are expecting 13, and as you see that is 30. So let's do in algorithm. Let's create a for loop, and here I will start from this one, is from first one, because if we write 0 it will start from here. how I'm going to do that. I will write binary length minus 1. When I do that, the length 1, 2, 3, 4. But if I want to get exact this one, it should be length minus 1. And I will be greater or equal than 0 and will decrease I. This first. Then I will say total equal total plus, and now let me write the rest. I will say convert to int32, and then I will write binary I. When I write binary I, it will start from here 0, 1, 2, 3, and this 1 will get it. But since this one is char, I have to convert to string and then convert to int. Otherwise, we'll get a ASCII number. This is first. Second, we say we'll multiply by 2 power. For example, here we have 0. But I want to start from 0. How I can do? Because our I now is 3. I want to just declare another variable. It's called x, and I will set it to 0, and then I will say math. We have a power class. It will always get a power, and always 2 power we get it. For example, here we'll say 1 multiply 2 power 0, and this is our x, and I will write x like this. And in the end, I will write like this. 1 minute. I will say binary equal total. Let's run it. How it's functioning. We have a mistake here, so we have an error here. Sorry. This x variable I declare, but I didn't increase. Each time it will be 0, because I say this is 0, then this is 1, then I have to increase x 1 by 1. And now let's run it. As you see that we go to 13. We can do for the large number. We expected to get 133. And let's run it. As you see that we get it. This is like this, guys. Thanks for watching. Please, if you like my channel, subscribe. See